Is it possible to speak English fluently in just 1 month? Yes, it is if you follow the right way of learning. Hello friends, as you all know that speaking English is a dream for almost all non-native English speakers. But the problem is they don't really know how to start from because nobody guiding you the right way. But don't worry, in today's video I am going to share with you few incredible tips that will really help you out to become a fluent English speaker in just 1 month. But the condition is you will have to follow the rule whatever I will share with you with your heart. So without wasting time, let's get started. The tip number 1 is know your why. Unless you don't know why do you want to learn English language, stop learning. Because whenever you will feel demotivated after 1 month or after 1 week or after 2-3 days, that time your clarity, your why, your purpose will definitely remind you that why had you started learning this language. So it definitely helps you out as a fuel in a vehicle. If you don't know why do you want to learn English language, then sit down today for 1 hour or 2 hours and figure out why do you want to learn and be 100% clear about your purpose or your goal of learning English. This is the first tip. The tip number 2 is handle your negative comments. When you start learning English language, a lot of people, they will laugh at you, they will make fun of you, but you should not be worried about their opinions. You should be happy that at least you are trying something new from them. This is not your business to react everyone. If anybody will laugh at you, then you should give a sweet smile and let your action, let your fluency answer all of their questions by becoming a fluent English speaker. So this is the tip number 2, handle negative comments. The tip number 3 is listen English content. As much as you listen English content, your mind trained, your ears trained, and you feel confident because before speaking you will have to listen carefully anything. But the condition of listening is you will have to become an active listener. Don't listen randomly, just listen with your whole attention without rushing anywhere. Okay, give at least 5 to 10 minutes or maybe 30 minutes as per your choice. Unless you are not satisfied, just keep listening. By doing this technique, your ears will be definitely trained. The tip number 4 is you should watch English animated story. If you watch English animated story, then you not only improve your vocabulary or sentence formation, but also you can improve your tone, where to take pause, how to imagine the situation, and numerous of things. Storytelling is the most powerful tool to become a fluent English speaker. This is my favorite tip, to be honest. When I was at my learning stage, I used to follow this technique every day. Now the final tip is that train your tongue. Unless you train your tongue, you can't become a fluent English speaker. Because tongue play a crucial part in order to speak English fluently without fumbling, without taking any sort of uncomfortable pauses or unpleasant pauses. So this is the best way to become a fluent English speaker, is that to record yourself for 5 to 10 minutes. If you record yourself 5 to 10 minutes on daily basis, because when I was at my beginner stage, I never skipped a single day because I loved this technique. What you need to do is choose a topic from ChatGPT or where you are comfortable in as per your choice. You can just practice on daily basis, and believe me, in 30 days you will see an amazing result by following these techniques, and you can figure out wherever you are right now. From here to your fluency level will be up to the mark in just 1 month. So my dear friends, if you really like this video, then don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in my comment section. That will really make me feel confident, and I will reply all of your comments. Thank you so much.